Hey guys, so this is day 3 where we purchased the materials, emptied out the room completely, and so I'll show you that. Well, almost completely, but still gotta put that in the car and go throw it away. You can either go to a construction site or you can go to any apartment buildings and just use the big dumpsters and dump the big stuff there. Okay, that's what I do. So, pretty empty. Closet's empty. And this is empty. All we need here is the floor. So, yeah, empty. And now what I gotta do is remove all of the stuff that's on the ceiling. So like the light fixtures, I'm gonna use this for the vents, the mirrors. Should I do the shower?
No, the room.
Maybe. I'll probably do the shower too. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, let's see how this works. I need you to brush your teeth.
But I want to see what you're doing.
So what I did was I put a layer of tape, and then right at the crease, I just went like that. So, and then I closed the vent that way. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the blue tape and I'm gonna finish taping here, you know, to close it like that. Does this make anyone else nervous? I always shake and I get so nervous every time I'm on these things. But anyways, so that's how that looks. Okay, so I just put the tape, you see, and just kind of, I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, doesn't have to be perfect. And then see the crease, just went like that with my fingers, and then if it went past, just kind of fold it, or whatever, it is what it is. So yeah, that's how you cover a vent and how you prep for painting. We're gonna take out the light fixtures. Okay, let's try it. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, I need a backup. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna turn it to the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? Oh my god, am I gonna need pliers? Am I gonna get electrocuted? Should the electricity be off? All these questions only a professional would know. I'm not a professional, you guys. I do me. That's what I do. You know what I'm thinking? I'ma just save the stress and do me another one of these. That's it. And I already showed you how to do it, so let's do it. Okay, this is gonna be my last attempt to take off something off the ceiling. The fire alarm. Dang, that was easy. Let me get the plastic. I'm just gonna straight put this blue tape like right over it. Like I really, that's it. That's all that's gonna happen. Guys, this is so hard to do on a ladder using one hand and then one hand to hold the camera. Oh, ojalá que no me mato. Tan fácil. Ya terminé con eso. That's how you do that, alright? That's it. Done. Should I do it over the light? Oh, dang, I need the light so I can see because it's already nighttime. Look. It's dark as hell outside. And I need the lights on. Durr. Okay, so just the fire alarm and then the sprinklers. So, yeah, everything else, the lights and the rest of the vents, I'm gonna use the plastic with blue tape. Don't confuse yourself, okay? Do one strip of tape on one long end, then do the second long end, and then do the sides, okay? All right, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish this room. All right, bye. Okay, let me tell you where I'm at. I did that one. Don't laugh, okay? This is my light. I finished it, okay? Yeah, I don't want to do the other ones. I just, look. Oh. Why are there so many? I'm tired. I don't want to. I'm gonna just paint. Let's get started, guys. Let's paint. Just go around everything. I think I covered enough. What do you guys think? I don't care. I'm not gonna cover anything else anymore. Over it. Before I forget, I want to show you my shirt. It's all dirty because the day is almost over, but it says, girls can do anything. Yeah, we can.